Hello. Today we'll be presenting a demonstration of SculptAR, a virtual sculpture park for Virginia Tech. SculptAR Park is an augmented reality application for iOS devices that allows users to place sculptures in the world and easily manipulate the appearance of sculptures using tools like spray paint and a paintbrush. The app is intended to provide users with a dynamic and interactive way of showcasing their artistic expression. We overhauled an existing user interface, implemented a database so that multiple users can now interact with sculptures simultaneously, and introduced several novel features that improved the pre-existing experience. SculptAR initially allowed users to place objects in the world and use a paintbrush or spray paint tool to draw on them. They could alter the scale of the sculpture using a transform tool, erase prior illustrations, or remove the sculpture altogether. The team used GitHub to house assets and code, as well as for version control, built the application in Unity, and added functionality through Swift and C#. The application is run and built on an iOS device. As our main contribution to this project, we designed and implemented 3 novel features: a time-lapse museum, weather effects, and a shake-to-spray spray paint interaction. Our goal with these features was to improve the user experience by providing more interesting ways for them to interact with the statues, as well as other users of SculptAR Park. Our design for a time-lapse museum was motivated by our goal of allowing users to interact with each other socially in novel and natural ways unique to augmented reality. For this feature, once the time-lapse is activated, the user is surrounded by previous iterations of the statue they are viewing. They can see the progression of the art on the statue over time and see what other users contributed by looking around in their environment. To activate or deactivate this feature, users click a time-lapse button located next to the statue they are viewing. This design provides a distinctive user experience that is uniquely suited to use in AR, since users are surrounded by previous work, rather than viewing a time-lapse using a slider or a video. It also improves the experience for the artists, since their work is saved in the history of the statue, rather than being deleted when someone else makes changes. The weather effects experience was designed so that current paint textures are washed away from sculptures when it rains outdoors. This ensures that sculptures do not become too crowded with paint, while also providing a sense of realism over simply erasing paint routinely. It integrates well with the time-lapse feature to ensure that previous artwork can still be viewed. Shake to Spray is a unique interaction that we implemented to accompany our spray painting tool. In this feature, users are limited to a certain amount of sprayable paint before they're required to shake their phones to reload. We chose this feature because it embodies the real-world interaction of how actual spray paint cans are used and makes for a more interesting experience for artists. This concludes our demonstration of our contributions to SculptAR Park. Thank you for watching.